Hello friends, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. A big shout out go to all my new subscribers. Hi. My name is Josy. On this channel, I talk a lot about cash staff and savings. And one of the things that I do on this channel, if you are new and you don't know yet, is my debt. We have only one debt, which is my student loan. As a family of 8, we are able to pay some of the debt off. And the last one is my student loan, which has been like a struggle for years. So keep watching. Hello, hi, my friends, my OG. Thank you for coming back to watch me. Happy New Year to everybody. If you are new here, thank you one more time. Today is a Transfer Tuesday. I love Transfer Tuesday because I get a chance to talk to you guys about the debt that I have. I have only one debt, which is my student loan, but it comes in 2 parts. So this year, if you watch my video doing the blog mix, I talks about how I want to be debt free and what I'm doing towards being debt free. I told you guys that my word for 2024 is grace and mercy. I'm trying to pay off about $20,000 out of the student loan, which is not easy at all, but we're going to do this. So if you're also paying off debt, right now, stop and leave in the comment below if you're going to go along with me. Let's motivate each other and do this. So my minimum payment for my debt is $414, but I'm trying to pay off more on it so that we're able to do the $20,000. As of today, I have 2 types of loans under the student loan. I have the AB type and the AD. It's all the same as student loan. I have an interest of 5.45%, and I also have 6.21%. And my quote for this year especially is it's going to be hard, but hard is not impossible. So I'm asking for God's grace and mercy to help me pay off this debt. Oh, I hope you guys can see this. I hope it wasn't hiding in the camera, which at times I do that a lot. I hope you guys can see. Okay, so today we're going to update my debt, and I'm going to tell you how much I'm putting down this week, and we're going to try and shade my tracker as well. Let me get a pen. I hope everybody had a nice new year. I did have a nice new year. It was really nice. So let me use my week update. No, let me do my monthly one first. So we are in January, so 01/2024. And I told you guys that I have 2 debt. They are all student loans. So I call it student loan AD, which is the smaller one. I'm doing the debt snowball. So I'm doing the smaller amount to the highest amount. I only have 2. I did this worksheet, which I'm going to, some people have been asking me about it, so I might leave it on my Etsy shop, but it won't be, it's going to be a digital, so it wouldn't be much expensive. The highest price I'll go, it will be about $2 for the download, so it won't be much expensive. I created it myself, but people have been asking me, so I might leave it there. When I do, you guys will know for sure. So I'm doing, like I said, I'm doing the debt snowball. It means I'm doing the lowest amount to the highest amount. So my first lowest amount as at now is $21,989.21 as of right now. The minimum amount I have to pay for this loan is $146, and it's mostly due on the 3rd of every month. So for the next one that is due is next month, because I've been paying on it. So they keep on pushing the date back. So it's going to be 2/03/24. The interest rate on this loan is 5.8040%. So I don't have an ending balance yet, which I'll update you at the end of the month. My second one is student loan AB, and that one is $35,431.89. The minimum payment for this loan is mostly almost close to $200, so I round them up $200. Then it's all of them are due 3rd of every month. Like I said, the interest rate is 6.210%. So that's what we have so far for this month. So if I'm doing the calculation very well, which I always forget my calculator. So I have my calculator here. If I should do the total for both loans, it's going to be 21,989.21 plus 35,431.89. So as of today, the total is 57,421.10. Okay. The minimum amount I have to pay each month for these two loans, 146 plus 200, which is 346. Like around August, it was 414. That was my minimum, but I think it's going down because I'm paying on it. And for the interest, I'm not going to do the math for the interest. The interests are individual. So far, this is my monthly overview. My two loans are. I hope you guys can see that. Then now let me do the weekly. So when it comes to the weekly, I'll tell you guys how I do it. I used to do it in a book, but I'm trying to put this binder together. So now I'm doing it here. So this is my weekly update. So this week, for this week, we are in the first week. So that would be from the 1st to the 7th. Let me do it that way. And this month is January. Okay, I hope I spell it right. Okay, so my first one is the balance that I'm starting with this year. So for this year, no, the balance I started. So my starting balance, when I started paying the loan, starting balance, and that was 2022, was $93,609.63. That's how much I started in 2022. As of 2023, it was 74,000, but we are in 2024. So for today, our balance for 2024 is 57,000. So I'm going by the amount for today. Today will tell me the percentage, how far we are going. 57,421.10. That's how much we have as of 2024. 2023, if you've been watching my videos, I started with 74,000 and I paid it off up to this amount. So it means that I couldn't even pay about 20,000, which at times I feel sad about it because how fast I want to go is not going that way. But for this year, I'm really going to give myself a grace, knowing that I'm doing okay. I'm going slowly, but it's okay. It's okay. So that's the motivation behind it. So let me do my weekly update, how much my weekly payment I'm going to do this week. So I'm going to do my fixed payment that I do every week. That one, I don't know where I get the money from, but it's $20. That one, I have to do it. I really have to do it. Then I'm going to do this week my fixed regular payment. Regular. And that one, I'm going to pay mine because it's due on the 3rd of every month. So I have to make sure I pay the amount. And that amount is $346. Then I'm putting towards $500 in total. So I'm going to do an extra for the difference. Extra payments. So that will be 500 minus 20 minus 346. So I'm putting an extra of $134. So for the total, it's going to be $500. So total of 500 going to my debt. So when I go on the student loan dashboard, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pay this minimum. Then this amount and this amount to go towards the first loan, which is going to go to the lowest amount, which is the $21,000. So I'm going to put all the amount, which is about $154 extra on that, so that I'll finish paying that one faster. That's how the debt snowball works. You list them according to the lowest amount to the highest. And the avalanche method is when you list them according to the highest interest rate. So me, I'm not doing the avalanche method. I'm doing the debt snowball. I have tried both, and I realized that the debt snowball motivates me more. Most people will argue that the avalanche method is very good than the debt snowball, but I have tried both. So it depends on you how you want to go about it, to tell you the truth. It really, really depends on you, how you want to go about it. Whether you want to do the debt snowball, you want to do the avalanche method. All of them make you pay your debt. So far as you are doing something about your debt, girl, bro, you are okay. You are okay. You don't have to stress yourself which one I should do, which one is better. It just gets stressed when you are concentrating on that. So I will tell you to go with whichever one works best for you. The snowball worked best for me, so I'm going with that. So now let's do the amount. So balance for this week is 57,421 minus the amount I'm putting towards, which is $500. So now it's gonna 57,421 minus 500. Okay, so we have a total of $56,921.10. So that's amount left for this week. Then one thing I also do is I do the percentage. So percentage to debt free. So now I will take this amount and I'll divide by 93,609.63. Then I'll multiply by 100. Then I'll subtract from 100. So that gives me 39.19%. So we are 39.19. So if we are 39%, let me say, it means we have to be shading 39 boxes here. So that's it works that way. Let me get my pen here. And let's count the number of boxes that we have. In case you don't understand anything, make sure you leave in the comment, ask questions, how I'm doing it. But I try to make sure I explain to all of you so that you understand where I'm going. Super excited to do this update. This update helped me to stay motivated. So thanks for everybody who is going to watch this video. I really appreciate you. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So this was the 25% mark. So let's say 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. It means I can add one more box to it. Okay. Okay, so that's how we do it. So this sheet is from when I started. Like I told you guys, in 2022, when I started with 93,609.63 So that's how much I started with, and this is how far I am since 2022. So it's been like a long journey. I'm already in 2 years in, and I haven't paid. Let's say I'm getting close of paying about 40,000 out of this loan. But before this loan, to tell you guys, I did have a lot of loans, a lot of student loans, and I paid up to that time. The reason why I started doing the update from 2022 was that's when the COVID started kicking and we didn't have any interest, but now the interest are now there. It's going every single day. They are calculating interest on it. So this year, if you haven't taken a look at your debt, I urge you to take a look at it. Some people want to avoid it. So if you are that type, that's okay, but I'm the type, I can't avoid my debt. I get so frustrated when I look at my debt. So instead of me continue to be frustrated, I'm doing something about it to be debt free. So thanks for everybody watching me today. I'm really, really grateful. I'm really, really grateful for you watching me today, clicking on my video. I can't tell you how much grateful I am for you being here watching the video. So I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, bye, bye.